Hi everybody, and welcome to this flip through of my journal. Look at it. It's tiny. It's the smallest journal I've ever made, and it's a fully functioning journal. It just happens to be on a tiny scale. And the title I've given it is Little Things, for obvious reasons. It's held together by twine, like so. And then let's have a look through it, shall we? So the first page, I mean, as I say, it is a fully functioning, normal sort of journal, really. Here we've got a little tuck spot down there, a photograph of a lady and just a card. They just tuck into there. And then that's a decorative page with some nice Tim Holtz stuff. And the same here with a butterfly on it. And that was the first hint I had that I was going botanical. And then here we've got a little pocket, some washi, a tag that you can actually write on if you want to, and you can journal on the back there as well. That just tucks into there. On the next page we've got this chap, an arrow pointing to him, some numbers down there, etc, etc, and he's held on with a teeny tiny paper clip. Here we've got some Kathy Holden paper, a nice bit of lace, some stitching around the place, and a couple of little journaling cards, a ticket and a bingo card. You could write on there if you wanted to. And they tuck into there. Then here some more letter numbers, a tag, and a little piece of a journaling card. So they fit into that pocket there. Here we've got a little corner tuck. It's so tiny. Look at it, the size of my thumbnail, with a little bit of ephemera in there, and that's been stitched as well. And then this is the centre spread. It's got this lovely butterfly here, lace down each side, and a little journaling card in each side. Oh my goodness me. I don't know why, it just makes me laugh. It's just so cute. So they fit into there, and that's that centre spread. And then we've got a little pocket, a little tuck spot actually there, with a little journaling card. No, a tag. A tag fits into there. Then here we've got a big corner pocket. Well, you know, big, with a little tag in it. Also, lots of sewing on here. Then here we've got, I think that might fall down actually. Does that come down? Yeah, that comes down. And it's got a nice butterfly on it there. A couple of bits of journaling. You can journal on there as well. And that just gets clipped back on there. Like so. And then they stay in. Nice decorative page. Tim Holtz floral there that I chopped up. It was too big as it was, so I chopped it up. Then on the back of there we've got this pocket here with a little tag in it. Yeah, that's it. So long since I made this, I can't actually remember. So it goes like that and sticks out the side. Then this one, decorative page, and that's the end of the first signature. Right, so this one, that's a decorative page with some lace, etc. Yeah, and that is as well. It's got a tag, little tag in it. And there we go. Pocket here, journaling card, washi tapes. I love the washies. And a little stamp there that's just sewn on. Here we've got two pockets with two little tags in, like so. Oh, we've both got butterflies on. A slightly larger one in the back, and the teeny weeny one at the front. a corner tuck, 2 little bits of ephemera, room to journal on there if you really wanted to. Then here we've got this fella, he's a tuck and he's got that behind him, which I like. He's got a wing, so he's ready to fly. Decorative page. And this centre spread, which is similar to the last one, it's got lace and journaling cards in behind there. It's held on with sari silk. And they just go in there. Why don't you want to go in? Because I want to be awkward. Alright. Then this butterfly page. This guy here, who is a belly band with a bit of a bingo ticket with lace on behind him. Then a corner tuck with another one of those tags. Some faux packing tape. Aged packing tape. It is actually packing tape. A little side pocket with a journaling card. So much in here, considering it is so tiny. A little pocket with a ticket in it. Some washi tape down there. A little side pocket here with a couple of pieces of ephemera in. And that's the last page. This lady who comes out in a little pocket. And that is that. Look at it. It's gorgeous, isn't it? The front cover is these 2 paper dolls. The spine is covered in hessian with some black lace, and they're stitched in with this hemp. And that's the back. And it just ties together. So thank you very much for stopping by to look at my teeny tiny Timmy journal. Thank you. Bye.